Welcome to our beginner's guide to on-page SEO. In this video, we'll cover the basics of optimizing your website's content to rank higher in search engine results. Let's dive in. First, focus on your page titles and meta descriptions to accurately reflect your content and include relevant keywords. Next, ensure your URL structure is clear and concise, making it easy for both users and search engines to understand. Don't forget about headings and subheadings. Use them to organize your content and incorporate keywords naturally. Optimize your images by using descriptive file names and alt tags. Lastly, pay attention to your content quality and relevance. Create valuable, engaging content that answers users' queries. By implementing these on-page SEO techniques, you'll improve your website's visibility and attract more organic traffic. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to boost your website's performance.